Hi guys, let's look at the unboxing video of the Logitech MK220 keyboard and mouse. For people who want to look at a wireless mouse and keyboard, this is a great option, which is a starting point from Logitech. The maximum retail price of this is about 1,995. I picked it up for about 1,100, so you should be able to pick it up for around that price. And this is one of the entry-level keyboards that you can get from Logitech, and it offers wireless connectivity. So in today's world, this is one of the easiest options, or one of the most viable options that is there. So it comes with the mouse, the keyboard, and a USB connector, which will help you to go wireless. So let's unbox this. Okay, so when you open this, here's what it comes with. So this is the keyboard that it comes with. It is a basic keyboard. So if you are on a budget, you can look at opting for this. The biggest challenge with this keyboard would be, I'm going to show you in terms of keeping my hands here. So if you're somebody who likes to type a lot, the keyboard is a little too small for your comfort. Your hands have no resting place. So it can become a problem for somebody who types a lot, and I would not recommend it. But if you're somebody who's a light user, this is more than enough for the money that you pay. The keys are very, very plush, very effective. But if you are somebody who likes to type or keeps your hands on your keyboard, I would not recommend this particular model. And so all you have to do is just remove this case, and you have a couple of battery slots there where you go ahead and insert your batteries, and you should be good to go. The good thing about Logitech, it's very easy to use, and both of them have, the keyboard and the mouse has only one USB connectivity slot. Here you have a couple of pins here which can use to keep the keyboard at an elevated angle. For somebody who likes to keep it at an elevated angle, not very effective on this keyboard because the keyboard is way too small, but it's still available for your perusal. You can still use it. And apart from this, you also get the little mouse that is there inside. There you go. So again, it's a basic wireless mouse from Logitech. So if you opt for the second variant from Logitech, you might get a slightly better mouse. It comes with only one battery slot, whereas this mouse has two battery slots. Let's go ahead and open that up. So you have two slots here where you need to insert two AA batteries into this particular slot, and you should be good to go. So unlike other mouse that you have in the past, this has an invisible IR, which means there's no red light that you're going to see from the mouse, which is kind of useful if you're working at night. You will not see a bright red light. But at the same time, if you're going to use it on top of glass, this will not work. So if you have a computer table which is made of glass, then you'd probably need to use a mouse pad. So apart from this, you also get a set of batteries that can be used to get your mouse and your keyboard powered up. So these are basic batteries, not something great, but then they do the job properly. So you get a set of 4 batteries and the USB dongle along with it. So remember, if you lose the USB dongle, both your keyboard and your mouse are going to be rendered useless. Unlike some models which have separate USB dongles, this has only one. So ensure that you keep that safe and sound. So let's look at how do you insert the batteries into your keyboard and mouse. Let's look at the mouse. For the mouse, you go ahead and use the AA batteries. You get a pair of AA batteries, and let's go ahead and insert both of these batteries into the mouse. So based on the positive and negative connectors, you can see that inside. Go ahead and insert the appropriate directions for the mouse to work. There you go. It's not very complicated, and you can go ahead and close it off. So like I said, you will not see any red light coming out. The mouse should work automatically. So let's look at the keyboard as well. For the keyboard, you get a pair of AAA batteries, unlike the mouse. So if you're going and picking up replacement batteries, ensure that you get AAA for the keyboard and AA for the mouse. So there you go. You can go ahead and insert it to the side of the keyboard, and you should be ready